In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a transparent PNG in Blender. Whether you're designing a logo, working on a digital art piece, or simply experimenting with 3D renders, understanding how to export your images with transparency can really elevate your projects. So let's dive right in. To start, we'll be working within Blender, a versatile and widely used 3D software. The first thing you need to do is enable transparency within your project. This is a crucial step if you want your final image to have that clean, background-free look. To do this, head over to the Render Properties panel on the right-hand side of your Blender window. This panel is packed with numerous settings that control how your final image will look, but today we'll focus on just one specific area, the film section. When you locate the film section, you'll see an option labeled Transparent. Make sure you check that box. This simple action tells Blender to interpret the empty space in your scene as transparent rather than rendering it with a default background color. With transparency enabled, our next task takes us to the output properties. This is another essential panel that guides how your projects are exported, and it's where you'll define the file format and color settings for your image. In the output properties, you'll want to find the section labeled File Format. Click on this drop-down menu, and from the available options, select PNG. PNG is a popular choice for images requiring transparency because it supports the RGBA color model, which is exactly what we need for this project. Speaking of RGBA, let's talk about what this means for your image. RGBA stands for red, green, blue, and alpha. While RGB covers the color data in typical images, the alpha channel deals with transparency information. To ensure your PNG maintains this critical data, double-check the color setting within the output properties. Ensure it's set to RGBA instead of just RGB. This setting is what allows the transparency to shine through seamlessly. After setting the output properties, you're ready to render your image. Head up to the Render menu at the top of your Blender interface and click Render Image. Now, watch as Blender works its magic, creating a crisp image where the transparent parts of your design will show up perfectly. Once your image is rendered, the last step is to save it. Go to the Image menu at the bottom left of the Render window and select Save As. Pick your destination folder, confirm the file format once more to ensure it's set as PNG, and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully exported a transparent PNG from Blender, ready for use in any of your creative projects. Remember, mastering these settings not only helps in achieving transparency, but also gives you greater control over your renders. Keep experimenting, and you'll discover more possibilities within Blender.